Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up some hot cocoa and here's what you'll be needing. Okay, I have my pan here. In my pan, I'm going to go ahead and put in my water, my sugars, which I like to use brown and white. That brown sugar just gives it just does something to it, flavors it, more of that deeper chocolate, not caramel, but it just enhances the flavor of the cocoa. And our cocoa. Now on cocoa is the main thing you got to focus on. You know, we all are used to those. Let me turn this up a little bit. We're just going to cook this a couple of minutes. Cook that cocoa powder and get that those sugars dissolved there. Now I want to show you, like I said, a lot of us are so used throughout the years. They're so convenient buying those little packs. But if you have the ingredients on hand, you know, why not make some homemade up? And I want to show you what I like. This is not a sponsored video, but this is the one I like to use. Let me show this to you here. The Verona, it's Dutch processed. It doesn't leave that, some of the cocoa powders, a lot of them are just great for baking, but when you're going to do something like this, you want a good quality chocolate. I mean, I order mine on Amazon, and it's well worth it. It's good for baking, and especially hot chocolate, hot cocoa, because it doesn't leave that, some of the cocos can leave that, I don't know, it's like a overwhelming chocolate, almost burnt flavor of cocoa when you make it this way. But this one, the Verona chocolate cocoa powder, which is 100% unsweetened cocoa powder, it is delicious. And you're not left with that bitter, like I said, it's just overpowering for cocoa. And you can't keep adding to get more chocolate flavor with those other ones, because the deeper that burnt flavor goes. But as I said, you don't get that with the Verona. I think I'm pronouncing it right, but I know it's a Dutch processed cocoa, but it's so good and it's great for baking. But this is just a quick video. You know, a lot of you out there have this nice cold and snowy days. We don't, but we like to make this up and watch a Christmas movie and just get into that spirit of the holidays, and we just love to do that and just watch a good Christmas movie and a hot cup of cocoa. And let me get this turned down a little bit and just keep it moving. This is some really good hot chocolate, guys, hot cocoa. I hope you guys give this a try. You can definitely use your choice of cocos, but your taste is going to be what you put in it. And the main thing here is the cocoa. We got this just about there. Everything's dissolved. Okay. Now I'm going to add in my half and half here. Let me get this over here. And you do not want to bring this to a boil once you get it in. Now what you're going to do is just heat this to however hot you want it. Just don't boil it. We're going to add in our half and half, and then our regular milk. It's so easy, and it's so much better. Like this cocoa powder here I was talking about, the Verona, it leaves the, I don't know, it just gives it a different feel. It's creamy. It's just a good chocolate. I made a chocolate cake the other day, which I need to get one going for you guys. It's a delicious chocolate cake using this chocolate. It's so good. But I'm just going to heat this through. Okay, I got mine warm to where I want it, but like I said, don't boil it, guys. Now I'm going in with a teaspoon of vanilla. Now, if you like your hot chocolate frothy, you can just go in with a bigger whisk and just kind of whisk it up. But I'm going to do this for maybe 20 seconds or so, and we'll get it And I did add a pinch of salt into it, just a little pinch. Okay, guys, there's the hot chocolate. Wanted to make it look pretty for you guys. And it's delicious. I hope you give it a try. I'm going to take a slurp here. I got some heavy cream or whipping cream, or what do you call it? Ready whip. You could definitely put some marshmallows on there. You could put some heavy cream on there. Whatever you like. That's just what I had on hand. Some peppermint, crushed peppermint's good on here too. That is perfect. Oh, that is so good. And I love to eat mine with pretzels because you got the sweet chocolate and then the salty pretzels. It really works. But anyways, that's my cup. I think we're watching the Santa Claus here in a little bit. But you guys enjoy the video. Make you up some hot chocolate. You know what you're putting in this one. If you got the stuff to make it, why not? You know, I know a lot of us like that packaged stuff, but this is better, I promise. But until next week, we will see you guys later. Please go check out my merch. Nice stuff on there. All the new subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And please hit that bell for further notifications. We will see you guys next week. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.